periods are natural, but the way most of us handle them, it's not right. Some common mistakes during periods can actually increase your hormonal imbalance, period cramps, mood swings, and also cause a lot of fatigue. So today I'm going to share 5 common mistakes that women are making and that you should avoid. But what should you do instead? I'm going to tell you that as well. Hello everyone, my name is Ravleen and welcome to my channel. The first mistake, eating the wrong kind of food. During periods, many women crave sugar, junk food, fried food, and a lot of caffeine. Well, these foods increase inflammation that can increase the cramps, bloating, and headaches. Sugar also causes insulin spikes, affecting hormonal balance. Instead, go for warm, home-cooked foods, nuts, seeds, and foods that are rich in iron. And the most important, don't forget to hydrate yourself. The second mistake, avoiding water because you fear that you will bloat more. A lot of women think that during periods, if you drink more water, it will cause more bloating. Well, that is absolutely wrong, guys. That's really not the case. Dehydration actually worsens bloating, cramps, and fatigue. And low water intake can also cause a lot of headaches during periods. So do this instead. Drink warm water, herbal teas, and jeera water throughout the day. Number 3, completely stopping physical activities. Some women during periods, they stop doing any kind of exercise. They are mostly on bed without moving. Why this is wrong? Because complete inactivity can reduce blood circulation, which may increase cramps. So what you should do instead? Do some gentle walking, light stretching, light yoga. This also helps improve the blood circulation and reduces cramps. Now here I am not talking about doing intense workout. Do something that is light for you, gentle for you. Mistake number 4, ignoring period pain and taking painkillers regularly without doctor's prescription. Many women, they either ignore their pain or they rely heavily on just painkillers. Severe or recurring pain can also be a sign of hormonal imbalance, PCOS, or endometriosis. So the overuse of the painkillers, it can give you temporary relief, but it will not solve the problem that is happening inside your body. So if your periods are extremely painful, guys, go to a gynecologist and get some medication from there instead of just popping in painkillers every period. Mild cramps are okay, but severe cramps are not okay and you need to consult a doctor. Mistake number 5, using the same pad or tampon or whatever you are using for a long period of time. This is one of the most common and dangerous mistakes that women are making. Keeping pad or tampon for too long can cause rashes, itching, bacterial growth due to the moisture. So change your pads every 4 to 6 hours even when your flow is very light. Sometimes what happens is like it is probably our 4th or the 5th day and the flow is very light. So we just put a pad and there's some spotting, and even in that phase, guys, don't use one pad throughout the day just because there is no blood there, because there is moisture and that can also increase your bacterial growth, can cause infections. So even when you have mild flow or no flow, change your pads every 4 to 6 hours. Your period is your body's monthly report card. The more you listen to your body, the better your overall health will be. Tell me in the comments which of these mistakes do you resonate to. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos.